Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on the video. Without further ado, please go ahead and hit that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Today we're going to be making veggie soup. So let's get started. First thing you're going to need is some onions. I used half of an onion. You need some celery, maybe 1 to 2 cups of celery. I got yellow potatoes. I used about 3. I cut up about 3. I got some garlic cloves, about 3 to 4 garlic cloves. I got 1 can of roasted tomatoes, and I got frozen vegetables. I went ahead and rinsed them off to knock off the ice or whatever, to knock off the chill from them. And I also have 2 vegetable broths. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I have about 2 tablespoons of vegan butter inside the pot. We're going to go ahead and let that warm up a little bit. And I got the eye on medium-high heat. Or just, no, I have the heat on just medium heat. And I'm going to go ahead and start adding in the onions, celery, and the mixed veggies. Good to go ahead and cook down a little bit. Alright, after you get all your vegetables into the pot, go ahead and give it a nice stir. And again, you're just letting this cook down, so for about 5 to 10 minutes. Today guys, this recipe is pretty much going to be quick and easy. It's for comfort, so if you're looking for something to be for a comfort meal to have, this would be good. And also healthy, something simple and light for you to eat and be satisfied as well. Alright guys, like I said, go ahead and let this cook down for a few minutes, and then we'll come back and check it. Alright guys, this has been about 10 minutes and the vegetables have started to cook down. What I want to do next is go ahead and add in your garlic cloves, or it's your minced garlic. Alright, and you're gonna let that cook for a little bit, maybe about 2 to 3 minutes. Let that get in there real good. By the way, it smells really good in here, even though it's just vegetables cooking right now. They smell amazing. Alright, so go ahead and let that cook down, and then we'll come back and go ahead with the next step. Alright guys, welcome back to Always Be Cool blog. Thank you. It's still smelling amazing in here. We're ready for the next step. Next step is adding in the roasted tomatoes and the cut up potatoes. Alright guys, after you get your potatoes in the pot and your tomatoes, go ahead and add in your vegetable broth. I'm going to add a whole carton and a half of another one. I just want to say, as I'm adding more of the ingredients, the smell just intensifies even more to a whole nother level. It just keeps getting better and better. Alright guys, that was carton 1. It smells so good in here. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to brag or just make up lies, but it really does smell good in here. Alright guys, this is carton 2. Like I said, we're going to use half of this carton. Alright, go ahead and give it a nice stir. Get everything well combined. That looks good. It's looking good. Like I said, this is very easy. It's something that's gonna be comforting and then healthy and light all at the same time. Alright, go ahead and add in your seasoning. I got like salt, pepper. I have salt, pepper, oregano, Italian seasoning. I have roasted garlic and herb. Don't worry, all this will be posted on my website that you can go and get the recipe off of there. With the seasoning, I would say start off with 1/4 teaspoon. You want to gradually add your seasoning and taste as you go. Like I would start off like this, and then as the soup's cooked down, you want to come back and taste it. I also have a little bit of sugar, like a tablespoon of sugar, just to cut the acidic taste from the tomatoes. Alright, and then like I said, you're just going to give this a good old nice stir. Again, I got this on medium heat. Stir it up real well. We're going to add the lid. Or before we add the lid, we're going to add our bay leaf. Add your bay leaf. Add your lid. And let this cook for about 30 minutes. And we'll come back and check it. Alright guys, it's been 30 minutes. I just tasted the soup. It tastes delicious. Only thing is the potatoes need to cook a little longer. So I'm going to give the soup about 15 more minutes to see if the potatoes become tender. And then we'll come back and check it. Alright guys, it smells amazing in here. It's been a total of 45 minutes. Well, it's 15 from the last time I told you, but a total of 15 minutes of a total of 45 minutes of letting the entire soup cook. It's good now. It's ready. The potatoes are nice and tender now. This is a good time to go ahead and taste your soup and add more seasoning if need be. If not, you can go ahead and plate it, and that's what we're going to do next. Alright guys, remember before you plate up your soup to remove your bay leaf. You do not want to munch down on that. It's not going to be pleasant. So make sure you remove that. And then go ahead and plate it up. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Here's my soup. Also, I decided to make some grilled cheese on the side. This too is vegan, so it's vegan and vegetarian friendly. It is vegan cheese, so you can make that. I'll leave a link. It should be above. It'll be somewhere around on this. I'll leave a link where you can go and check out my vegan chili. Because on that video, I also made, I broke it down how I made the grilled cheese. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link. And so let's get into the soup. We need to pray. I want to say thank you if you made it this far in the video. Let's go ahead and bow our head. Dear God, thank you for this food. Thank you for allowing us to make something else amazing, something that's also healthy. I ask you to watch over me, and I ask you to watch over all the viewers. I ask you to let us continue to be amazing. I ask you to continue to cover us and continue to push us, continue to give us courage, and to just be great. And thank you. Amen. I also want to say to people to just remain humble. I always say, when I say remember to always be cool. That means because life is hard, things come, life will throw curveballs at you. Even though you're getting those curveballs and it may not be your day, you still want to remain humble, and there's a silver lining in whatever situation you're going through. You just gotta find it, and that's what I mean when I say always be cool. Without further ado, I'll go ahead and taste this. like I said, it smells amazing. It's been smelling amazing since I started cooking it. This is very healthy. It is comforting, and I really encourage you guys to try this out for yourself. I still got some on the spoon. I'm gonna go ahead and try the rest of it. That is really good. My favorite would be the potatoes, the green beans, and the celery. It's all good, but that's just like my favorite. As I was trying it, that was the highlight of the chew. It's very delicious. I feel like it'll hit the spot. Well, but other than that, guys, thanks for watching. I'm out.